In this video, I will explain redundancy and how it is used in ADISRA SmartView. This video will explain its purpose and provide instructions on how to utilize redundancy effectively in your application. The redundancy system, also referred to as the hot standby, enables the implementation of the failover concept within SCADA software. This concept involves having two runtimes that serve as backups for each other. In the event of a failure in the main runtime, the backup runtime immediately takes over without any interruption in the process continuity. The machine equipped with the backup runtime can be considered as being in standby mode. In a redundancy system between two machine runtimes, all modules, such as the proprietary database, alarms, events, and more, will possess redundancy to ensure seamless operations. However, if the database is external, the redundancy system needs to be implemented within the database software itself. This video will provide the main steps to configure the redundancy system between two runtime machines. On the left part of the screen, the backup runtime machine screen is shown, and on the right side of the screen, the main runtime machine screen. After installing the latest version of ADISRA SmartView on both machines, open the engineering environment on the main machine. Click the Settings tab and then Redundancy. Enter the IP of the main machine and backup machine. Note that both machines must be on the same network. Then define which IP will be the main and backup. For our example, it will be the IP 192.168.1.105. Now, on the backup machine, access the redundancy system by clicking on the shortcut shown. This shortcut can be found in ADISRA's bin folder. This configuration window shows the following information: the redundancy system status, the used port, application folders and log folder, the connection log between main and backup machine, and a button to run the redundancy system. After clicking the Run button, the status was changed to Waiting, and a message was entered in the system log. Now access the main machine and test the connectivity between the main and backup machines. As shown, the connection is OK, but the application has not yet been sent to the backup machine. Then, run the application on the main machine. In the runtime log, it is indicated that the application is being sent to the backup machine. Once the main machine is up and running again, the backup machine enters a standby mode, ready to take over as the primary machine if necessary. If the main machine returns to normal operation, the backup machine reverts back to its standby state. To test the synchronization between the machines, let's open the Data Watcher. For this video, I use communication with Rockwell plc. So, I'm going to change the value in the monitor tag. The monitor tag has a value of 2300. Now, on the backup machine, open the Data Watcher to check if the value is synchronized. Enter the monitor tag. Note that this tag's timestamp is being updated simultaneously with the host machine's tag. Therefore, the backup machine will always be in sync with the main machine. Let's change the value of the monitor tag and check if the value will also change on the backup machine. As you can see, the value was changed automatically on the backup machine. Subsequently, the main module of the SCADA software will synchronize, ensuring the availability of the application. For more information about the redundancy capabilities, please check out the information in our help documentation or contact us at support@adisra.com. Thanks for watching until the end. Visit the ADISRA website for more information or contact info@adisra.com or the sales team.